Today we're taking our first look at DJI's brand new Avata 360, the company's first ever 360-degree panoramic drone. This exciting new release combines DJI's popular FPV drone platform with a built-in 360-degree camera system, giving creators the ability to capture everything around the drone in a single shot. If you've ever wanted the freedom to reframe your footage after filming, this drone could be a game changer. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the unboxing and see what's included in the box. The version I have here is the standard package paired with the DJI RC2 controller. As expected, DJI keeps the packaging clean and compact. Opening the box, the first accessory that catches my attention is the included landing pad. It's a surprising addition for the standard version, but definitely a useful one. Once unfolded, the landing pad is much larger than expected and feels very sturdy. It should provide a clean and safe surface for takeoffs and landings, especially when flying on dirt, grass, or uneven terrain. Now it's time to take a look at the drone itself. My first impression is that the Avata 360 is noticeably larger than I expected. Based on early images, I assumed it would be similar in size to the Avata 2, but in person it feels much bigger and more substantial. We'll compare the two drones later in the video, but right away it's clear that this isn't simply an Avata 2 with a different camera. Removing the protective cover reveals the drone's most important feature, its dual-lens 360-degree camera system. The lenses are significantly larger than those found on traditional camera drones, which is expected given the drone's ability to capture a complete spherical view. From the front, the design looks very similar to a handheld 360 camera integrated directly into the drone's frame. Let's talk about the specifications. The Avata 360 features a large 1-inch image sensor and is capable of recording up to 8K 60 frames per second HDR video. That's an impressive specification for a drone in this category and should provide excellent image quality for both professional creators and enthusiasts. The drone also includes omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, allowing it to detect obstacles from all directions. This added safety feature is especially useful for FPV-style flying, where pilots often fly close to objects and through challenging environments. For transmission performance, DJI has equipped the Avata 360 with its O4+ transmission system. Under ideal conditions, it can achieve a transmission range of up to 20 kilometers while maintaining a stable connection between the drone and the controller. Battery life is rated at approximately 23 minutes per charge, which is quite respectable considering the demands of recording high-resolution 360-degree video. When it comes to controls, users have multiple options. The drone supports the DJI RC2 controller for traditional flying, but it's also compatible with DJI's FPV ecosystem, including FPV goggles and motion controllers. This allows pilots to choose between a standard flying experience or a more immersive first-person view setup. In addition to full 360-degree recording, the camera also supports single-lens shooting modes, providing greater flexibility for different types of content creation. Looking through the rest of the box, DJI includes lens protection accessories, a USB data cable, spare propellers, and the tools needed for propeller replacement and maintenance. Now let's compare the Avata 360 with the Avata 2. Placed side by side, the differences are immediately noticeable. The Avata 2 is slightly taller, while the Avata 360 has a flatter overall profile. However, the Avata 360 appears larger and wider due to its dual-lens camera system. Another noticeable difference is the propeller design. The Avata 360 uses a 4-blade setup, while the Avata 2 features a 3-blade configuration. Overall, the Avata 360 feels like a dedicated aerial content creation tool designed specifically for immersive 360-degree video capture. Its larger size, advanced camera system, and flexible control options make it one of DJI's most unique drone releases yet. That's it for this first unboxing and overview. In upcoming videos, we'll test the camera quality, flight performance, and real-world capabilities of the DJI Avata 360 to see if it truly lives up to the excitement surrounding its launch. The Antigravity A1 is one of the most interesting drones we've seen in recent years, Created by Antigravity, a brand backed by Insta360, the A1 made headlines for being the world's first consumer drone with a fully integrated 360-degree camera system. Instead of pointing a camera in one direction, the A1 captures everything around the drone at once, allowing creators to reframe shots later and choose any angle during editing. But now that DJI has entered the market with the Avata 360, many people are asking the same question. Is the Antigravity A1 still worth buying, or has DJI completely taken over the 360 drone category? Let's find out. Starting with the price, the Antigravity A1 is definitely positioned as a premium product. The drone launched at around $1,599 for the complete package, including its vision goggles and motion controller. That makes it one of the most expensive consumer drones in its category. In comparison, the DJI Avata 360 starts at roughly $549 for the drone-only package, creating a huge gap between the two products. Looking at the specifications, the Antigravity A1 features dual 1/1.28-inch sensors capable of recording 8K 360-degree video at up to 30 frames per second. It can also capture high-resolution 55-megapixel photos and offers up to 24 minutes of flight time with the standard battery, or up to 39 minutes with the extended battery. One of its biggest advantages is its lightweight design. At just 249 grams, it stays below the weight threshold that triggers registration requirements in many countries. The drone also comes with anti-gravity vision goggles and a motion controller, creating an immersive FPV experience right out of the box. Combined with Insta360's powerful reframing software, the A1 gives creators tremendous flexibility when editing their footage. So, what are the pros? First, the 249-gram weight makes it extremely travel-friendly. Second, the integrated 360-degree camera allows you to capture shots that would be impossible with traditional drones. Third, Insta360's editing software remains one of the best in the industry for reframing and creating social media-ready content. Finally, the included FPV goggles provide a highly immersive flying experience. However, the A1 isn't perfect. The biggest drawback is the price. At over $1,500, it's difficult for many creators to justify. The drone also records 8K footage at only 30 frames per second, while newer competitors offer higher frame rates. Some reviewers have noted that image quality is excellent for a 360 camera, but doesn't always match the quality of dedicated camera drones. Additionally, relying primarily on goggles and motion controls may not appeal to every pilot. Now let's compare it with the DJI Avata 360. The DJI Avata 360 offers 8K recording at up to 60 frames per second, larger sensors, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, longer transmission range, and support for both traditional controllers and FPV controls. It also features DJI's mature ecosystem, advanced flight systems, and a much lower starting price. Multiple reviews have concluded that the Avata 360 delivers better overall value for most users. That doesn't mean the A1 loses every category. If your priority is portability, the A1 still has a major advantage. Its folding design and sub-250-gram weight make it easier to travel with and avoid certain regulations. Many creators who focus on travel content may prefer its smaller size and simpler form factor. So, is the Antigravity A1 worth buying in 2026? Yes, but only for a specific type of user. If you want the lightest possible 360 drone, love Insta360's editing workflow, and value portability above everything else, the A1 remains a fantastic product. It's innovative, fun to fly, and still delivers impressive results. However, if you're looking for the best overall 360 drone today, the DJI Avata 360 is the stronger choice. It offers better video specifications, more flight features, improved safety systems, greater flexibility, and dramatically better value for money. For most creators, DJI's drone simply delivers more for less. The Antigravity A1 deserves credit for creating the 360 drone category, but right now, the DJI Avata 360 appears to be the drone that perfects it.